This summit represents not just an opportunity but a responsibility to accelerate our transition to renewable energy, addressing the urgent need for climate action at both the local and global levels. Abot kamay po para sa lahat ang solusyon sa problema ng kuryente sa Albay. Through our focused efforts, our strategic partnerships, we can eventually finally resolve the energy challenges in our province. For all Albayanos, this means lower electricity costs, a clean and stable power supply, and a brighter and greener future. Together, we can reduce our dependence on fossil fuels and move toward a sustainable